AI machines versus humans. Will AI machines replace humans? Part 4 of 5. Can machines overtake humans? Yes, and also no. For yes, machines have already overtaken humans in specialized repetitive motor tasks, and they are outperforming humans in chess, medical diagnosis, language translation, and even composing music. AI like IBM Watson has beaten human champions in trivia games like Jeopardy! By processing vast amounts of information. And for no, machines can hardly beat humans in general, emotional and spiritual intelligence. Machines lack true reasoning. They can't dream, imagine, or ask, "What if?" like humans do. They also lack true understanding of emotions, and their creativity is limited to recognizing patterns in the dataset. Machines fail to traverse uncharted territories and cannot go beyond their dataset. Last but not least, machines are not spiritual beings like humans. They can never be purified or illuminated, and they can never gain access to the spiritual intelligence, which transcends time and space. AI-generated paintings have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. But can AI truly create beyond pattern recognition? In 2022, an AI-created artwork called Teatro d'Opera Spaziale won first place at an art competition. But when people discovered it was AI-generated, many asked, "Is it real art?" I didn't paint it with emotion, purpose, or personal experience. It just copied patterns from past artworks. Machines can mimic creativity, but true inspiration and new ideas are unique to human beings.